and feel back into the arms I love. We feel and let you go. Mga ka-idol, kaklase ko itong mga ka-idol. Oh. Ang galing niya kumanta. All the things that you have needs to know. I'll be waiting for you here inside my home. I'm the one who wants to